Welcome to our video on how to prevent the camera on Messenger from accessing your Android device. Messenger can sometimes access your camera without your consent, but by following these simple steps, you can prevent it from doing so. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping on the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Applications section and search for the Messenger application. Once you find it, tap on it to open the App Info page. Then, select Permissions and ensure that the camera permission is enabled. This will allow you to control whether Messenger can access your camera or not. Finally, select Don't Allow to prevent Messenger from accessing your camera. This will ensure that the app cannot use your camera without your permission. By following these steps, you can easily prevent Messenger from accessing your camera on your Android device. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.